Has your raft ever looked like this after a long day's float? Are you tired of opening and closing your garbage all day long? Introducing the garbage retention system, the newest design in keeping your raft safe, clean, and clutter-free. Originally designed with cans in mind, the G.R.S is made out of a ripstop material, so you can now get rid of your crushed cans worry-free. The easy push-through opening allows garbage to enter the bag, where it will there be trapped until you decide to empty it. The G.R.S is great for all kinds of candy, food, and sanitary trappers. But what happens when your trash is a little too big for the opening? The G.R.S is designed like a roll-top dry bag. So all you have to do is open up the other side, dispose of your larger garbage, and with a quick roll and snap, you're ready to go again. Are you worried about flip security? The G.R.S is designed to handle any flip anytime. It can easily take on water, but with the one-way opening, you are able to pour that water back out and retain all garbage that was originally in the bag. The garbage retention system is also a great companion for hiking and camping, and it will always allow you to pack out more than you packed in. At the end of the day, when it's time to dispose of all your collected garbage, it's as easy as opening up the roll top side and shaking over a bin.